What is container? A container is a widget in Flutter used for layout styling and transformation. It holds a single child widget. We can give height and weight to container. Containers support decoration. One of the basic type of decoration is rounded borders. Let's see it practically. Delete all the default code in main.dart file. Create a Material App widget. Create a new homepage.dart file. Import material. Create a stateless widget. Name it Homepage. Call the Homepage widget in main. In Homepage create a scaffold widget. A scaffold is the page on screen. Now we run the app. This is the blank page of application. To remove the debug bar on top, add debug show checked mode banner :false in Material App widget in main file. Add the body section in scaffold. Create a container widget in body. The container widget is by default transparent, so we give it a color colors.red. The red part on screen is the container. It by default takes entire space available. To make the difference visible, we change the background color to yellow. Change the height and weight of containers. Now the container aligned to top right. Wrap it with center widget to align it to center. To add decoration, we use BoxDecoration. While using decoration property, use color in BoxDecoration. Use border radius to add circular border. Border radius.all::radius.circular and angle value. By changing the angle value, we can change the curvature of box.